People don't understand the consequences of taking items that don't belong to you. What do you think is going to happen if you take something that doesn't belong to you?
I will go to jail.
So, I mean, I don't understand that. You're 18, and I will tell you, here in Texas, plenty of times people have taken people's vehicles while they're asleep, and they see on the camera that somebody's taking their vehicle, and they end up getting shot. And you know what people say? People start protesting. Some do. And they say, oh my gosh, that was just a little child. And you know what other people say? Shouldn't have been stealing somebody else's property. And they're just like, oh, well, I can tell you this. Nobody is probably going to be bringing charges saying, let's prosecute the person that shot this person for stealing their vehicle. Not going to happen. And then you're 18 and you're working on your GED.
Yes, ma'am. And I have a job right now.
Mhm.
I have a job for 4 months now.
Mhm.
Perfect attendance and
Doing what?
taking care of my daughter. I work at a cabinet shop.
Okay.
I make cabinets.
All right. I don't understand. Young people not graduating from school, they're just out having children. So does your child live with you?
Yes, ma'am.
And who else lives in the home with you?
I live with my girlfriend and my girlfriend's dad and my daughter.
Your girlfriend's father and who else?
My daughter.
And your daughter.
Yes, ma'am.
And see, young people have children and then their parents just allow them, everybody come in and move in. And then people think that's normal to have children when you're not prepared to provide shelter for that child or clothing. Somebody else is going to be doing that. All right. Do you have your driver's license?
No, ma'am.
Then you cannot drive.
Yes,
So how do you get to work?
ma'am. I Uber at the moment.
All right. What's wrong with Via? Does Uber cost? I think Uber probably costs more than the Via bus.
Yeah. Around where I live in Selma, there's no Via bus stations. Like no bus stops or nothing.
Come on, America. Can we get some great transportation? You know, I travel all over to different countries. Their transportation is top notch. You can get on it and go wherever.
Yeah.
That's something you should be writing your city council, writing your legislature about, saying why. You know, people say Texas is the best state in the world and the best state in the country, and the United States is the best country in the world. Can we get our transportation in order?
And even if you could take via bus, it usually takes so much longer than just a car ride. So,
Well, you know what I would tell everybody? I used to take the Via bus,
Early.
and yes, I did. So I would end up at the courthouse, and you know what time I would end up getting at the courthouse?
Early.
7 a.m. And I did it because I needed to work to feed myself. I didn't want to pick up the phone calling, Mom, can you pay for my groceries this week? Although she did. I will tell you, everybody has to start somewhere, and I believe in that. All right, there's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Probation, see if you can allow him to see if you can allow him to report by Zoom, since he has the child that's a newborn, and he's working, and he's trying to get his welder's license. There's to be regular random UAs. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I'm gonna test positive for marijuana.
When's the last time you used?
About 2 weeks ago. Your Honor.
Why do you use it and you know you have to come to court? See, these are things that you're not thinking about as an adult. And you know what else? Your child does not want to smell marijuana on you. And then you have your your girlfriend's or fiance's father allowing you to live in their house and you're not doing right. So we're going to do regular UAs, tests for levels. Those levels had better start going down.